Hey everybody, Cash Girl 29 coming at you. D-Nice, DD. I got a package in the mail today. It's the Ipsy package, and I already opened it. And I'm gonna show you what's inside of this unboxing video. So here's the Ipsy bag. It's a denim bag with the orange lining, and it has an orange heart as a zipper. And they give you this Ipsy, pound Ipsy, much love. And it says what squad goals are made of. It's it just tells you how the bag looks, and it's just picture of an iPhone on the back. And they gave you some goodies. So I have a black charcoal mask. I have another one. And I have a green tea, a green tea mask, and I also have one more green tea mask. Okay, so I'm gonna get to what's inside the bag. So you get a fan brush. It's by Royal and Langnickel. It's a fan brush. And then next you get a NYX butter lipstick and it's called Ripe Berry. It's called Ripe Berry, if you can see it. And I'm also wearing it right now. It's on my lips. It's very pretty. It's a very nice, soft, magenta, soft, like pink, purplish, magenta color. Like a red, like a deep red wine color. But it's very nice. And also, I have the Seraphine Botanicals Illuminator. It's Illuminator. And so I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, there it is right there. Okay. It's a nice little pleasant scent. And the last thing that I have in my bag is the Absolute New York Nano Liner. It's an eyeliner. And I swatched it right there. So yeah. It's a nice eyeliner. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. And so that's it. So peace, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Deuces.